Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to cancel LinkedIn Premium after free trial. If you recently signed up for LinkedIn Premium and want to cancel before your free trial ends, it is important to know the exact steps to avoid being charged. Canceling is quick and can be done directly through your mobile device in just a few taps. Here's a detailed guide to help you cancel LinkedIn Premium after your free trial. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Next, tap the profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. From the menu, select Payments and Subscriptions to manage all your purchases and plans. Then, tap on Subscriptions to view a complete list of all your active subscriptions linked to your account. Locate the LinkedIn Premium plan from the list and tap Remove to initiate the cancellation process. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping Remove again to successfully cancel LinkedIn Premium after your free trial. After completing these steps, your subscription will be canceled, and you will not be charged when the trial period ends. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.